Hi, Andy here, the author of the Make Each Click Count book series and host of the Make Each Click Count podcast. Today's AMA is for all you e-commerce sellers asking, can I finally track how my Google ads are impacting my Amazon sales? The short answer, YES. The longer answer, well, that's why we're here. Let's dive into how Amazon Attribution plus Google Ads gives you superpowers for your off-Amazon campaigns. Why this even matters first. Let's set the table. Historically, Amazon's been a bit of a data black hole when it comes to tracking external traffic, especially if you're using Google Ads to drive clicks to your Amazon listings. You spend $500 on Google search ads. You send shoppers to your Amazon product page. You cross your fingers and then nothing. Crickets. No way to know whether that click bought your product or went down the Amazon rabbit hole and ended up buying toilet paper instead. That's where Amazon Attribution comes in. It's a free tool for brand registered sellers that finally allows you to track and measure the impact of your external ad campaigns on Amazon sales, down to the keyword level. What is Amazon Attribution? Amazon Attribution is essentially a tracking platform that gives you insight into how off-Amazon marketing channels like Google Ads, Facebook, Instagram, email, and more drive behavior on Amazon. What kind of behavior? Product detail page views, add to carts, purchases, total sales value, total units sold, and yes, it even lets you break that down by keyword if you set it up right with Google Ads. How to connect Google Ads plus Amazon Attribution. This is the meat and potatoes of it all. Let me walk you through. Step 1, Amazon Attribution access. First, make sure you're eligible. You must be brand registered. You need to apply for access inside Amazon Seller Central under the Measurement and Reporting tab. Look for Amazon Attribution. Once you have access, you'll get the To Generate Attribution tags, which are just special tracking URLs. Step 2, create attribution tags. Inside Amazon Attribution, you'll generate a unique URL for each Google Ads campaign, or even each ad group or keyword, depending on how granular you want to be. You'll define the publisher, Google, the channel, paid search, the ad group, campaign, etc. Amazon then spits out a tracking URL that looks something like this. https://www.amazon.com DP, your ASIN, tag attribution, 20N AST subtag, Google campaign name. That's the link you'll paste into your Google Ads final URL field. Pro tip, always test the link before going live. Amazon links can be finicky. One missed character, and you're tracking nothing. Why it's a game changer now? Here's where it gets exciting. In the past, you had to guess if your Google Ads were driving Amazon sales. Now you can actually see the full conversion path. Let's say you're bidding on the keyword wireless pet fence. You run Google Ads to your Amazon product listing. With Amazon Attribution, you'll know how many people clicked, how many added to cart, how many actually purchased, how much revenue it generated. Now you can optimize your campaigns based on real ROI, not just click data. Data you can actually use. Once your campaign is live and tracking, you'll start seeing reporting inside Amazon Attribution, usually within 48 to 72 hours. Key metrics include click-through rate, CTR, add to cart rate, purchase rate, sales revenue. Now you can look at your Google Ads dashboard and your Amazon Attribution dashboard side by side to evaluate performance like which keywords are driving profitable Amazon conversions, which ad copy is influencing the most Amazon sales, which campaigns should be scaled up or turned off. This is the level of granularity we've been begging for as Amazon advertisers for years. A few common pitfalls and how to avoid them. 1. Not using a unique attribution tag per ad group. Create a separate tag for each ad group or campaign to avoid blended data. 2nd, forgetting to tag URLs in Google Ads. Double check that the final URL uses your Amazon Attribution tag, not just the raw Amazon link. 3rd, expecting immediate results. Amazon Attribution isn't real time. There's a lag of about 48 hours, so don't panic if you don't see data right away. 4th, not optimizing for mobile. Make sure your Amazon product page is optimized for mobile users. A majority of external traffic from Google comes via mobile. Final thoughts. Is it worth it? Absolutely. Running Google Ads directly to Amazon listings used to feel like throwing darts in the dark. With Amazon Attribution, you're now playing with the lights on and a laser pointer. This gives you the kind of insight needed to Expand reach outside of Amazon. Reduce dependency on Amazon ads, which are getting more expensive. Increase your brand visibility across the funnel. Improve profitability by understanding true cost per sale. At True Online Presence, we've been integrating Amazon Attribution into our Google Shopping campaigns for clients, and the results have been eye-opening. You can finally answer that elusive question. Is this external traffic actually making me money on Amazon? Spoiler alert, if you do it right, the answer is usually yes. If you have a question on online advertising or need more tips on e-commerce marketing, let me know on my YouTube channel, within the Make Each Click Count Facebook group, or send me an IM or email at info@makeeachclickcount.com, and I'd love to help, and until next time, happy marketing.